Okay, still with us, criminal defense attorney Michael Gottlieb. Kristen is on the stand. She's been talking about the evidence and what she has been analyzing in this case. Talk about what you're finding from her testimony. What do you think the state is able to get from her?
Well, it seems like she's going to come out and say that the Ruger was the gun that, was the murder weapon here. She's talking about test firing it. She's just about to get to her conclusion. And obviously, when and where that gun was found, under what circumstances, especially 3 years later, may be important to the government as they prove their case and hone in on who did it. So this is circumstantial. There's no direct evidence, but they are painting a picture by connecting the dots. And so, again, it's really important testimony from a witness who seems to know what she's talking about.
Well, yeah, there's usually a natural wish, Michael, that these experts will get on the stand and start with their thesis, start with their conclusion, really, so these jurors would just know. But yes, we're getting closer to her actually showing the firearm, saying, yes, this is the one the shell casings were fired from. But we just had the past witness who went through all the things it wasn't and what they couldn't determine. Is there a way that attorneys can make this easier for a jury to understand what's most important, or is it a thing where we just have to wait until closings?
So that's really interesting. It is a little boring. It is a little dull. But, I find if you give the conclusion at the beginning, they may not listen to how we got there. And I think it's important for a prosecutor to show these baby steps, right? And this is how we got there, and build and build and build. And even though it's intensive, what they're doing is they're showing this is what we did. This is the work that we did to get to this conclusion. Otherwise, the jury may tune it out, just hear the conclusion, and somebody may later argue, yeah, but we don't really know how they got there. So, go ahead.
Yeah, okay. We do have to get to a break, Michael. We appreciate your analysis. So sorry to cut you off, but thank you for that. We've got a lot more ahead.
Thank you.